Hey everybody. I have another little update for you. Today I have been playing with some lighting, kind of moving my fixtures around, trying to get more coverage. It's sort of an experiment. I don't want to have to buy more lights if I don't need them. So I figured I'd reposition my 4-footers to about where I want them to be once the ceiling is installed. And if I do have enough light, awesome. If not, then, fall back, regroup. At this point, pretty sure I need some more light, at least as far as like on the sides. I think I'm going to replace those with 8-footers for sure. The corners just have dark spots. But anyways, everything at least looks really symmetrical. Here's the one that's now, you can see one bulb is not working. 2 of the bulbs are not working, so it's not as good as light could be, but I don't really think that's going to make too much of a difference. So everything is all symmetrical here. Probably going to replace those side ones with 8-footers. But the main thing that I did today was I cleaned up all of the wiring. So you can kind of see in the corner there the temporary. I'm not really sure what I should do as far as like the junction boxes are concerned. So probably going to put an 8-footer there, 8-footer there. Probably going to leave that to be a 4-footer. Because it's only really useful whenever the door's down anyways. So just a little bit more light from the backside. But who knows, whatever. It's a whole new year. I'll probably go back and forth on that like 20 more times, in between now and whenever I actually have to pull the trigger. So for the moment, you may remember all of the wiring that was here. I just added a couple, I ripped all that crap out, added 2 junction boxes. That's those 2 little blue things there. And now I have 2 circuits for each of my pairs of lights. So I have my bay lights and I have my side lights. So this is going to give me a little bit more flexibility whenever it comes to working on things and whatnot. So yeah, I like it a lot better, especially whenever I have the new fixtures that are way brighter. It may be too bright sometimes, so I may only want to use the bay whenever I have the door down and there's it's nighttime and I'm working on some car thing. This is my sheetrock hoist, scored for a cool C note from a family member on the other side of Houston. Picked that up a couple weeks ago. So I'm going to use that. That'll allow me to one-man the ceiling. And probably just hawk that sucker on Craigslist for what I paid for it when I'm done. And everything's really close. All I have to do is do the insulation, which haven't quite figured out exactly what I'm going to do on that. But yeah, here I have to add a couple of these little studs there so that the sheetrock can rest against it. I have to do that on each side of the shop. Just little piddly things like that. Nothing major at all. We're really close to being able to add sheetrock. I have no idea when I'm going to actually be able to do that, but it's life. Success is all about creating opportunity, and then whenever you actually get a chance to execute, then you're able to. So it's kind of my basic strategy, just piddle. Today my wife, so she's a photographer, and she had families and stuff all in and out of the house today, and the AC was, or the heat was, she cranks that sucker up to keep the babies happy because she has a little studio and stuff. So I was run out of the house because upstairs is a furnace whenever she does that, and so today I was just kind of chilling, tying up some loose ends out in the shop. And that's about it, really. Not much else going on. All right, everybody. It's Saturday. Enjoy your day. Have a good weekend. Take care of one another. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. It's I got more stuff coming. I have more plans. I'm gonna make some more detailed videos. I want to touch on, not really. I don't know. Okay, so basically, the gist of my channel is kind of like this. I've been giving a lot of thought. What am I going to do with this thing? And the basic idea is I want to give young men in particular what I wish I would have known whenever I was, in my late teens, early 20s, just growing up, So I'm 35 now. I have a family. I've been really blessed, and I want to share that. I want to share what I've learned from all my scars and idiotic mistakes, and the good things and the bad things, and So I'm trying to work out how to do that. I have no idea what to do right now, to be honest. So for the moment, I'm just trying to finish the garage, get everything sorted, so I can be my brother's keeper. All right, everybody, take care of one another. God bless, and peace out.